Snoring pillows make it easier for you to sleep without snoring and keep your spouse from killing you. At the end of the day, that's pretty nice, isn't it? There are several different kinds of snoring pillows, so I've made a post over at the site where you can find out all about them. Visit the site, read the post, click the link in the description. Leave me a comment so I know you checked it out, all right? Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.